Do you want to know how you can log in or sign up to your Krutrim account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Krutrim account. Go ahead and open krutrim.ai on your Chrome or Edge browser and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will open krutrim.ai. You can see that there is no login option now, so it might appear sometimes, but sometimes it won't appear. As you click on it, you can see that you can directly access Krutrim. If you don't have the access, click on sign in, which could be over here, and then you can sign in to your Krutrim account, and then you can start asking questions to it. So let me go ahead and ask this question, and you can see that it will give me answers in a few seconds. This way you can log into your Krutrim account and start asking questions to your Krutrim AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.